welcome you to the Master Wong Wing Chun training system. My name is Master Wong here. I will be your course tutor. I will be here to teach you and go through all the basic training you need to know into this level. On this particular level here is on to the Sil Lim Tao level. On this particular module is module 1, Know Yourself. In the level 1 onto the Sil Lim Tao, they have 5 modules altogether. Okay, the first one is a basic training. It's this one here you are in, and then you have the level module 2, Know Your Enemy. That's all to do with self-defense. Okay, and then module 3 is Know Your Ability. That is fitness training. And module 4 is the street fight training for the street. And then the module 5 is the health training for recovery onto the training side. So on this particular module here, I will talk to you a little bit about the Sil Lim Tao side and welcome you to the course and what you expect from this course and what you will learn on this course. On this course here, we go through all the basic stuff with you. So the basic punching, basic step, basic hand, basic positioning of your feet, stand. All this thing here is very crucial for this basic training on the Sil Lim Tao. When you're learning all this basic, then you move on to the stepping, learn to able to punch, kick, and then using your body to able to move so you can feel comfortable with it, prepare for training into the combat side. And after when you finish all this, you have the energy drill. That's most important part onto the training side. Sensitivity, learning to understand about the energy drill so you know what to do with your opponent, to getting the idea of it. So when you train it into your know your enemy, the self-defense side, you understand how to use in your body. And then you learn to the path work so you can able to using your hand properly, elbow with power, all this kind of movement. And learn about response drill, all different movement to respond to it so you can get your body to functional when the time comes. Then of course you got a form, Sil Lim Tao form, application on it for you to able to learn and get an idea of it so you can able to use. Now on this course is very big. It's one of the quite comprehensive course on the Sil Lim Tao side. Okay, but this is only the first module of it. Okay, so they got all sort of thing into it. It's called a little idea. So you can get in the idea bit in pieces on it. So then you're getting the idea of it, it's become a lot more easier for you when it start to work. Okay, so this is the basic on to the Sil Lim Tao basic training. Now when you work with this kind of movement here, try to make sure when you're working, don't rush with it. Slowly practice and build it up to get some confident so you know what needs to be done. Okay, so then get your body strong, get everything in line so you can able to work properly. So when the time comes, you can respond well. And second thing is, if you got any problem with this, you put a comment onto the Udemy side, comment and resource. They got all the information there to helping you to learn and understand more. If you got any kind of problem, put asking a questionnaire. I will be there personally myself to helping you. And if there's certain videos that you don't understand or don't know, then you practice on them and then follow on to the particular bit that you've been practiced with underneath. That will tell you what you need to do and all the information there. Otherwise, ask and I will be there to help you. So everything that you need to understand about it and everything you need to know about it. Anything else, I will add more in there to helping you. And I welcome you to this training course. I'm the master and the founder of the Master Wong Wing Chun training system. So when you practice, you get an idea of it because all this our training here is called layer training. Your training slowly lays them up as you practice. So I welcome you to the course and I will see you onto the training lesson. The first lesson is going to be the fitness training to get your body fit and strong, ready for combat. I will see you on the lesson.